Trade recap. Let's do it. Okay. Today was just a break even, and we just got out too early because it would have ran, but bit sus. Okay. So everything turned bearish. 4 hour turned bearish. Then, as we came up, we got bullish on the hourly, which happened to occur as we turned into premium, which is still okay. And then we had bullish on the 30, bullish on the 15. You get it? Coming into session, or coming into today, we had this here. So we had a sweep. Actually, better to be seen on 15. Sweep of topside, but it wasn't a sweep, it was a push through. This is not a sweep. We could tell just from the price action and from the fact that we just fucking pushed through here. So we know we're bullish as we come into session today. There was one good entry when everything is bullish. We had this order block here. I even saw this shit, this order block here on the 15, then perfectly tapped after sweeping topside here. So obviously it just swept some, came lower, tapped, then it ran bullish. There was nothing else really. But I was too focused on the fact that we had inversed that, but we had not. This was respected and then moved through. So that will not be revisited. I should have been just fucking looking up here straight away. Anyways, then we come into session. We get a topside sweep of Asian highs. But it's not even a sweep, it's just a move through, which shows we're more bullish because as you can see it's just a pump through. ES gets an actual sweep, but we couldn't really short from here because NASDAQ had already pushed through, and when that happens, when one pushes through and the trailing pair then comes up to sweep, it's like, and this one's already through, it's like so weird, it's like we will probably continue higher. And because it then came bearish, we were like, okay, we're looking for sweep, and we get sweep of Asian lows, and when everything's bullish, that's good. But price action turned bearish. The 30 turned bearish here, which that was not good, but this would have been the low anyways from here. And actually no, that didn't, that just swept. Then we got the sweep of Asian lows. So 30 actually would have been bullish, but 15 was bearish. But that was just a sweep, because as we can see it was an actual good sweep, but we just got scared. So then we had the 5 minute away, and then 5 minute fair value gap, and we were long from the 1 minute gap respect. Oh, 1 minute order block here, respect, and it came up, just moved stops to break even, that. So while we potentially wouldn't have gotten in long, as we were in the position, I was like, okay, the 5 minute here on ES will be respected, and this ES one was lower than NASDAQ. Like NASDAQ's price was like already in its own fair value gap, and ES was still above. So I was like, okay, ES will probably move down to respect it, and it did with very slow price action because we came up to 7 p.m. So very slow price action, but it did end up respecting it. And then from there, because it's respected, because we've had the sweep and it's respected, so we know we're kind of bullish, longs from 5 minute fair value gap here, because also this price has not come higher to grab anything and come lower. This fair value gap's already been grabbed. This is high, that's a TP. That's a TP. So yeah, we can be on from there because we've had sweep of Asian low, and while we have chain structure on the 30 and the 15, the 31 was not proper, right? Especially by this time. And then we are confirmed bullish because we have actually ended up respecting the fair value gap. As you can see on ES, much better than NAS. Yep, both of them are good sweeps. We respect, and then from there, after the respect, this kind of 1 minute entry, and we have this little fair value gap there, gets tapped, then we're bullish, and then we actually end up moving bullish. Haven't swept topside yet, but we'll see. We'll see how bullish the bullish goes, or if we're going to turn bearish tonight, because we're past equilibrium, we're in that shit, and we've had a couple changes of structure bearish, but they could just as well change bullish. We'll see. But yeah, that was that for today.